friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing well. Now I am continue with Lahaul Spiti. And if you are new at this channel, please go to description box and watch the previous video. So start it. Before the dawn of Buddhism and Hinduism, people statually followed the principle of Lung Pi Choi. The principle of Lung Pi Choi in Spiti. It is the term used in 8th to 9th century. Dan means beginning of the Buddhism and statually means reliably follow the principle of Lung Pi Choi. Now Buddhism is followed before the dawn of Buddhism. There is Lung Pi Choi in Spiti is followed or reliability by the people of Spiti. Second is Spiti River stems from Kunjum Range, which divides the region of Lahaul and Spiti. Spiti River stems from Kunjum Range. Kunjum Range divides the region of Lahaul and Spiti. Third is with the objective to pressure the Spiti breed of horses, Government of Himachal has established load breeding farm at Lari in Lahaul Spiti. Where the government of Himachal Pradesh established horse breeding farm in Lari, that is situated in the Lahaul Spiti. Next, part of state, the language, art and culture Academy of Himachal found a 1600 years old manuscript which deals with Ayurvedic system of medicine. Where all this found? 1600-year-old manuscript which deals with Ayurvedic system is found in Spiti Valley. Next is Valley of Lahaul and Spiti is called Orchids and Granary of district. Which Valley of Lahaul Spiti is called the Orchid and Granary? That is known as the Patan Valley of Lahaul and Spiti. Gadla Fort was built by the Raja Man Singh. It is built by the Raja Man Singh in Lahaul Spiti and named it Rani Kothi. It is named as Rani Kothi. Next is the first Negi of Lahaul appointed by the British government was first Negi of Lahaul that is appointed by the British government was Bali Ram. This is so important. Next is Lord Elgin crossed the Rohtang Pass 2 times in one day in 1862. The person who crossed the Rohtang Pass 2 times in one day, Lord Elgin. And in which year? 1862 AD. So important. And now Rohtang Tunnel in Himachal Pradesh renamed as Atal Tunnel. Rohtang Tunnel is now currently known as Atal Tunnel. To mark the 95th birth anniversary of PM Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the tunnel is the world's longest tunnel. It is the world's longest tunnel that is around 8.8 kilometers at an altitude of 3000 meters. The tunnel reduced the distance between Leh and Manali. It reduced the distance between Leh and Manali by 46 kilometers. These two questions relating to Rohtang Tunnel. And this is so important. Next is world's highest polling station at Tashigang village in Himachal. This is a current news because you think that Hikkim is the highest polling station in Himachal Pradesh, but now Tashigang that is in Lahaul Spiti is highest polling station at in world. So Tashigang, a small village, Himachal Pradesh at altitude of 15,256 feet, is now the highest polling station in the world. It is now highest polling station in the world. The polling station falls in Buddhist dominating Lahaul Spiti. one of the 17 assembly segment that forms the Mandi Lahore Lok Sabha seat, the second largest constituency of India. Now, earlier, the nondescript tiny settlement Hikkim. Earlier, Hikkim is the world highest polling station in Himachal, positioned at altitude about 14,400. Now, Tashigang is 15,256 feet. ये previous Hikkim is the previous highest polling station. So now Tashigang, situated at about 29 km from India-China border. It is about 29 km from India-China border. The polling station covers 2 villages. It covers only 2 villages, Tashigang and Yete. As per electoral rolls, the 2 villages have 48 voters. Only 48 voters of 2 villages are enrolled in it, of which 30 are male and 14 are women. Next is this is a point of where is Mulgun Valley. It is in Lahaul Spiti. Now I am telling you history of Lahaul Spiti. First point, in Janskar range the stupa of Kanishka is found. Janskar range in Lahaul Spiti, stupa of Kanishka is found. Kanishka is the ruler of Kushan dynasty. Second point is, after Gupta period, the connection of Lahaul at the time of Harshvardhan reconnected with the kingdom of Harsha. After the Gupta period, the connection of Lahaul are connected with the kingdom of Harsha. Harsha belongs to Harshvardhan dynasty. Next is Manu is said to be the ancient ruler of this season. Who is said to be the ancient ruler of this season? Manu. According to Hyang Sang, Spiti was ruled by Sen kings, whose first king was Samundra Sen. It is according to Hyang Sang. He is a very prominent traveller who travelled Lahaul Spiti, and he also described Lahaul Spiti as Lahul. Who is the first king of Sen kings? First king is Samundra Sen. Next is King Rajendra Sen of Spiti kept Kullu under the control for some time. Which king of Spiti controlled the Kullu for some time? That is Rajendra Sen. Next is, during Chet Sen 7th century, Spiti came under Ladakh. During the Chet Sen, under whose reign? Chet Sen 7th century, Spiti came under the Ladakh. Next video I am continue with the history of Lahaul Spiti, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.